What effect could it have in your life if you were able to change it? Imagine then, people having to lay down the very thing they've been using their entire life in the same way to get what they want, for something greater to happen. What if you could send a message straight to the universe, shaping your reality with just your thoughts and feelings? Imagine if I told you that unlocking your deepest wishes and making your dreams come true could be as easy as learning the universe's language. Welcome to a journey where the impossible becomes possible, and where your thoughts shape your world. In this video, we'll explore how to speak with the universe to attract exactly what you want. We'll discover simple steps to connect you with the cosmos, making it easier to manifest your desires. From the power of positive thinking to the secrets of visualization, this video is your path to the life you've always wanted. You'll not only learn to ask, but also to receive, turning your wishes into real-life achievements. But why should you stick around until the end? Because we're diving deep, uncovering lesser-known facts that prove just how influential your mind can be in shaping reality. This isn't just about getting what you want, it's about understanding the universe's language and using it to your advantage. So if you're ready for this life-changing journey, you're in the right place. Welcome to Focus Your Mind, where we explore the mysteries of the universe and uncover the secrets to a fulfilling life. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join us on this incredible adventure. Remember, the universe is listening, and it's time to start the conversation. In the vast expanse of the cosmos, where stars share secrets with planets and solar winds carry tales across galaxies, there exists a language beyond words. It's a form of communication made of vibrations, energy, and pure intention. Understanding this language holds the key to bringing your deepest desires and dreams to life. But where do we begin to grasp such a concept? At the core of this cosmic dialogue lies the principle that everything, from towering mountains to the thoughts in our minds, is made up of energy. This isn't just a fancy idea, it's a proven scientific fact. Everything vibrates at its own frequency, forming the universe's way of connecting all life and matter. Our thoughts and feelings are potent sources of vibrational energy. When we think positively, we emit high-frequency vibrations aligned with joy, love, and abundance. Conversely, negative thoughts emit lower frequencies, linking us to fear, scarcity, and doubt. The universe, always responsive, reflects these vibrations back to us, shaping our reality in an ongoing exchange of energy. Understanding this language means realizing how powerful our intentions are. An intention isn't just a wish, it's a clear signal from our minds about what we want to achieve or create. When we set an intention, it's like sending a message to the universe, sharing the blueprint of our desires through vibrations. The clearer and more focused our intentions are, the better the universe can respond. In this conversation with the cosmos, it's important to pay attention to the energy we emit through our thoughts and feelings. When our vibrations match what we want to attract, we create a strong connection that can bring our desires to life. This part of the journey explores these ideas, laying the foundation for understanding how we can use the universe's language to our advantage. Just like a radio needs to be tuned to the right frequency to catch a specific station, our minds need to be clear and aligned to send out clear intentions. The noise of daily life, stress, fear, doubt can disrupt this communication with the cosmos. To manifest our desires, we must first clear this mental and emotional clutter, ensuring our intentions are heard loud and clear. Meditation is a powerful tool in this process. By quieting the mind, we can tune out the noise of daily thoughts and worries, aligning ourselves with the universe's frequency. Think of meditation as a deep clean for your mind, clearing away negativity and doubt, and enhancing our ability to listen. Journaling is another potent practice that bridges our inner world with the outer universe. By putting our thoughts and desires on paper, we give them shape and clarity, making our intentions more focused. It's more than just writing, it's a declaration to the universe, outlining our hopes and dreams. Mindfulness, the practice of being fully present, helps us live in the moment without anxiety or regret. It strengthens our connection with the universe by aligning our energy with the flow of life. When we are mindful, we operate on a frequency of gratitude and openness, essential for clear communication with the cosmos. These practices, meditation, journaling, and mindfulness, are not just exercises, they're transformative processes. They cleanse our mental and emotional channels, ensuring that when we send our intentions into the universe, they are not just sent, but received and acted upon. As we dive into these practices, we not only learn about the universe's language, but also about ourselves. We discover what we truly want and how we can match our vibes to. Before we dive into specific techniques to communicate with the universe, it's essential to understand that, like learning any new language, fluency comes with practice and belief. The universe's language isn't so different. It's composed of vibrations from our thoughts, emotions, and intentions. To talk effectively, we need to use this language deliberately, focusing on positivity, clarity, and consistency. Visualization is a significant part of this communication. It's about creating clear mental images of what we desire, feeling as if they're already real. It's not just daydreaming, it's an active process that sends a strong message to the universe about what we want. Affirmations go hand in hand with visualization. They're positive statements that reinforce our intentions. By repeating these affirmations, we're telling the universe what we want, embedding these desires into our subconscious. Practicing gratitude adds depth to this conversation. By being thankful for what we have and what's yet to come, we emit positive vibes that attract more good things into our lives. It shifts our focus from what we lack to the abundance around us. Consistency is key in all of this. Just like practicing a language leads to fluency, regular engagement in visualization, affirmations, and gratitude strengthens our connection with the universe. And belief is the foundation of it all. Without believing in the process, our efforts may not bring the desired results. Belief energizes our intentions, making them more likely to manifest. By speaking the universe's language through visualization, affirmations, and gratitude, consistently and with belief, align us with the cosmos. This alignment enables us to send clear, powerful messages about our desires, establishing a dialogue that turns dreams into reality. In the intricate dance of communication with the universe, while we've been focused on learning how to speak its language, it's just as crucial to learn how to listen. The universe communicates with us through subtle signals, signs, intuition, and synchronicities, responding to our vibes with its own. Recognizing these responses requires an openness and receptivity that goes beyond simply observing. It's about tuning into a frequency beyond the ordinary. Signs from the universe often appear in seemingly coincidental ways, like repeated numbers, unexpected encounters, or recurring symbols. These aren't random, they're the universe guiding us toward our best path. Deciphering these signs requires awareness and observation. Our intuition, that gut feeling or inner knowing, is perhaps the most direct line of communication with the universe. It's about trusting the wisdom within us, quieting the mind to hear the universe's voice through our thoughts and feelings. Synchronicities, those meaningful coincidences, are another way the universe speaks to us, showing that we're on track. Staying open and receptive to these moments is crucial. They are signs that our vibrations are in sync with the universe. To benefit from these moments, we must remain open without attachment, allowing the universe to respond in its own time and way. This mindset of expectation without demand, hope without insistence, keeps us attuned to the universe's messages. Listening to the universe is both an art and a practice. It requires patience, trust, and a deep connection to the cosmic energy around us. By staying open and receptive, we engage in a profound dialogue with the universe, bringing us closer to our desires, guided by the cosmic wisdom that surrounds us. Before we delve into the mystical side of making your dreams come true, let's anchor our discussion in the realm of action. While understanding the universe's language and being open to its messages are crucial, we must combine these with inspired action. Simply wishing or visualizing isn't enough. The universe responds to our energy and motion, to the steps we take toward our goals. Taking inspired action goes beyond going through the motions. It's about taking steps that deeply resonate with our intentions. These actions feel like they're guided by a higher force, like reaching out to a new contact, signing up for a course that aligns with our dream career, or even decluttering our space for new energy. Each inspired action carries a powerful intention, amplifying our message to the universe. When our energy and actions align with our desires, it creates a magnetic pull, drawing those desires closer to us. Action also provides us with direct experience and insights, helping us refine our understanding of what we truly want. Embracing inspired action empowers us to actively shape our destiny, moving beyond passive wishing. Each step taken brings us closer to realizing our dreams, with the universe guiding and supporting us along the way. This dynamic interaction with the universe's feedback guides us toward our desired outcomes, making manifesting our desires not just possible but inevitable. By emphasizing the role of action, we complete the circuit, creating a powerful flow of energy that makes manifesting our desires a reality. With each inspired step, we signal to the universe our readiness to receive, transforming our visions into reality. As we conclude this journey of discovery, let's revisit the essential insights we've shared today. We've explored the profound concept of speaking with the universe, learning its unique language of vibrations, energy, and intention. We've delved into the importance of clearing our mental and emotional channels through practices like meditation, journaling, and mindfulness. We've uncovered powerful techniques like visualization, affirmations, and gratitude practices that enable effective communication with the cosmos. We've also highlighted the significance of listening to the universe's responses through signs, intuition, and synchronicities, staying open and receptive to its guidance. And importantly, we've emphasized the critical role of inspired action, aligning our energy with our desires to facilitate the universe's ability to deliver. Remember, the path to manifesting your desires is a journey of patience and trust in the universe's timing. It's a dance with the cosmos, a partnership where your efforts and openness to guidance lead to the realization of your dreams. Share your experiences and progress in the comments section below. Your stories are a source of inspiration and encouragement to others on this path. If you're seeking more wisdom on personal development and manifestation, consider subscribing to our channel. We're committed to providing content that enlightens, inspires, and helps you connect with the universe in profound ways. Don't forget to like this video if you found it valuable. Your support helps us spread transformative messages to a wider audience, aiding others in their journey of growth and manifestation.